Here just says, look, while we're talking about algebraic expressions, we know how to substitute into expression, but sometimes we're not substituting variables. Sometimes we can substitute expressions into another expression. So let's start off by substituting in numerically, and then we're going to substitute in algebraically. So this one is hopefully fairly straightforward. So for example, 6x squared when x is equal to 2 is 6 times 2 squared times minus 1 when y is minus 1. Everywhere I see x I put 2, everywhere I see a y I put minus 1. And so what have I got? I've got 4, 6 is a 24, so minus 24. So that's straightforward, I hope. When we don't have a numerical value but we have an algebraic value, it's exactly the same process. So 6x squared when x is 2c, everywhere where I see x I replace it with 2c. Everywhere I see y, in this case this is numeric, so I'll just put that in. So that becomes 6 times 4c squared times 4. 4 4s is 16 times 6 is 96 c squared. That's it. And so I don't think there's anything more to explain, so hopefully I can do part C as well. A squared plus 2bc. Everywhere I see A, put 3y. Everywhere I see B, put x. Everywhere I see, put 1. And so I've got 9y squared plus, it's a plus there, 2x. And I can't do anything more with that, so I'll just leave it at that, 9y squared plus 2x. We do this sort of thing a lot when we change variables in problems, but for the minute we're just learning the tool. So for example here, the volume of a cubed is 4/3 pi r cubed, but then if the radius is 2 times another variable, this becomes 4/3 pi times 2r all cubed, and that becomes 4/3 pi times 8r cubed, so I guess I get 32 on 3 pi r cubed. So that's relatively straightforward, I hope.